Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarTravel.com, your Princess Cruises experts, and today I have the great pleasure of being on board the beautiful Sapphire Princess. This particular category is one of the suites here on board. It's a forward S5 premium suite, which means you're going to get all those suite level amenities I'll review in just a minute, and I'll tour the space. But before we get going, make sure when you're ready to book this beautiful suite or any room or suite with Princess Cruises, make sure you do it right on HarTravel.com or reach out to your experts at HarTravel. We know our advisors can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the HarTravel signature service every step of the way. Now, the Sapphire Princess is one of the medallion class ships, which means you're going to get all of those incredible amenities. You'll use your medallion to open the door for you, and then around the ship you can order food, have it delivered elsewhere. They're really going to get to know you. We do have a video on that if you want to see more what that's all about. Now, as far as being in a full suite, you're going to get early embarkation privileges, early embark and disembark throughout your entire cruise. You're also going to have that complimentary specialty restaurant for embarkation day and priority reservations throughout your entire cruise. Now, this ship does some shorter cruises, some long cruises, and much longer cruises. And you'll find that on those longer cruises, it really makes a difference to deal with experts who understand that and also to get these upper suite level amenities. Now, in addition, you'll have a complimentary in-room minibar set up once during the cruise, and then you're going to have elevated service throughout, in addition to that reserve dining experience. You'll have your own access to one of the restaurants here on board. It's the Santa Fe restaurant on Sapphire, which means you'll always have a seat for lunch and dinner and an upgraded menu. Now let's tour this beautiful room. Now, we started off here in the living room space. You can see you have a nice large sofa here. If you do have additional passengers staying in the suite, this would be their bedroom space. You're going to have side tables, which can double as nightstands on either side, storage to tuck things underneath there. You've got your coffee table here. Now, keep in mind, you can take advantage of that in-room dining service throughout your entire cruise. Now, directly across from the sofa, you're going to find the first of the large flat panel TVs. It's fully interactive, so you can see what's going on throughout the ship, in addition to watching television, of course, catching up on your favorite Love Boat episodes. Now, up above here, you're going to have a bit of storage. You'll have a bit more storage underneath here as well, in addition to having your mini fridge. You'll have the desk that doubles as a vanity here, 2 US plugs to the side, drawers for storage here, and a bit more storage on the side as well. Now, this is truly a suite, meaning you have that separation of space. You've got the door here. I love that feature. I love traveling with my family, but I also love having the separation of space. Now, you're going to find you have quite a bit of storage. As I open this up, you've got hanging storage all the way across, those extra comfy princess bathrobes and slippers that you can use throughout your cruise. It's a really nice suite level upgrade. In here, you're going to find more hanging storage that goes all the way across, and then just behind me, you have a floor to ceiling mirror you can use to get ready. Now, right around the corner, you'll find yet another closet. This is where you'll find your safe, perfect size for a passport, wallet, or a small tablet. You've got storage up and down with the drawers as well. Now, as we step into the bathroom here, you're going to see that you have quite a bit of storage space here on the large vanity, storage up and down, along with a plug for a razor, a little bit of storage underneath as well. Now, over here, you're going to find that you have a bathtub shower combo. Now, I've traveled a lot with my kiddos. I love having a bathtub. I think it's a great advantage. But for anybody who loves a soak, you can imagine going out in South America, Alaska, Asia, wherever this incredible vessel is visiting, having an amazing shore excursion, coming back for a nice bubble bath before you head out and enjoy Sabatini's or one of the wonderful restaurants on board. Now, you've got a shower head up above as well, so it is a shower and tub combo. Now, as we step into the bedroom, you've got more storage all along here with plenty of drawers, another large flat panel TV, also fully interactive, so you can see what's going on throughout the ship, in addition to watching television. You've got your Princess luxury bed. It's an upgrade in the industry. You're gonna find that you have that extra comfy mattress, pillows, and of course, the linens. You've got storage on either side with the nightstands, and then to the side, you're gonna find that you have another writing desk that doubles as a vanity. You've got 2 more US plugs here. You've got your hairdryer there, magnifying backlit mirror, and then another large mirror to get ready, along with more drawers as well. Now, one of the unique features of this is the balcony. Let's head out and see what that's about. So the balcony is actually partitioned into 2 spots. I love that you have a full dining room table out here. You can take advantage of that delicious in-suite dining throughout your entire cruise if you'd like, or maybe just a snack from room service. It's also a great place to gather with friends or family game night. Now, you see you've got quite a bit of room here to spread out, and it's side facing. And as I head forward on the ship, you're also going to have access to a forward facing deck as well. Now over here you have two nice large comfy loungers. They're those extra padded type with a cocktail table in the middle. You can imagine coming out here for a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning, maybe a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening as you take in the incredible ever-changing ocean views. Whether you're going through the beautiful Chilean fjords, experiencing Alaska, you can imagine having forward-facing views as well as those incredible side-facing views really make a huge difference and enhance the experience. Now, when you're ready to make this sweet experience yours, make sure you reach out to the experts at Har Travel. We know the spaces inside and out and have an amazing relationship with Princess Cruises, and we know we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Har Travel signature service every step of the way.